We're back. Yeah, he's cooking again. What are you doing here, Meow? Well, I saw that you were cooking some food, so I came down for some eats. Oh, okay. Well, we're just here cooking in the kitchen again. What do you got for me this time? Well, we're going to do something pretty new and pretty fun. I'll be the judge of that. We're making some nachos. Oh, nachos are pretty good. Yes, we're making some nachos. Nachos. They're gonna be good. Got all the ground beef ready? Yep. But let me show you, because these nachos are gonna be a little bit different from any other kind you might have had. What are you doing? Oh, you'll see. I don't want to spoil the surprise, but this is gonna be really good. Alright. Might as well make a lot of them. They're gonna be pretty fun. Alright, I'm try to spread them out on the plate there. Putting all the nacho chips on the plate. I have lots of nachos here. Do we really need the singing? Oh yes, I find that it adds to the aesthetic of the video. I think it's just annoying. Ooh, no need to be catty. You and your puns. Hey, you know what I didn't bring up? What's that? Is that ground up toros or is that ground up beef or cow? I told you, we're not getting into that again. Go watch Poke About Philosophy with James for questions like that. This is a cooking channel. Okay, I'm just saying. Are animals canon in the Pokemon world? You know, we're not getting into that. We're not doing that again. Okay, so this is going to be a special kind of nachos. Basically, I got pizza sauce here. Oh, that's right. Not tomato sauce. Pizza sauce. Dedicated pizza sauce. That's right. I went to the store and I specifically picked this out. I didn't just get tomato sauce. I got pizza sauce. You know, you watch. Here, I'm going to move it closer. I'm going to speed this up a little bit because this is going to be a good idea. I think I know where you're going with this. Don't spoil the surprise. Well, you know, maybe spoil it a little. Is it going to be pizza themed? Oh, that's really clever, Meows. Watch this. It's going to be good. You gotta wait and see what I'm doing, though. Trust me, this is going somewhere. There is a reason for this. Yeah. Spread it on. You gotta watch what I'm doing. If you make a mess, it's okay. You can just clean it up later. It's Friday night. Okay. No need to cheap out on the sauce. We don't do shrinkflation here. It kind of looks like a pizza, doesn't it? Like if you look at it. Don't the little nacho chips kind of look like the crust and you got the sauce? Yeah, that's kind of true. So we just keep spreading that on. Remember, you don't need to skimp on the sauce. You want to have that on there. That's going to make it taste really good. Okay. So now that you got your sauce on, it's time to add something that every pizza needs. Cheese. And not just any cheese. Ta-da! Pizza mozzarella. I specifically got pizza cheese. Oh, that's right. I really thought about this. I'm going to put a lot of cheese on, so hold tight. Oh, yeah. Look at that. It is like I'm making a pizza now. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Oh, trust me, this is going to be so cool. Oh, I'm waiting. Hey, I got a question for you. Yeah, what is it, Meowth? So, is cheese made from Miltank in our universe, or cow's canon? That seems like oddly similar to the whole Tauros beef question. So, I'm gonna say, you know, animals probably are canon in the Pokemon world. Just because I just couldn't, I don't know, I couldn't really picture how their world would work without animals. I mean, like, Pokemon have some similarities to animals, but some pretty key differences there. I think that's enough cheese. Nah, I think you need more. Would you like some nacho chips with your cheese? Okay. That's enough out of you. Okay. So, now that we've done that, you now get to watch me try and work the microwave, which is always a fun task and, couldn't possibly go wrong. Right? That won't happen. So, I mean, the microwave, how do we work this contraption? Plug it in. All right, it's showing signs of life. And now we put our soon-to-be pizza nachos in here. There we go. All right, let's see how he's gonna screw this up. Come on, I'm getting it going. Ooh, it's not letting me go. I knew this was gonna happen. He doesn't know how to work the microwave. I'll get it going. Come on. Oh, you stubborn microwave. There we go. There we go. Now we're gonna melt all of that cheese. This is a really good plan. Oh yeah, trust me, this is gonna work. In the meantime, you could test the beef. Hey, what are you doing? I saw that. He ate half of the ground beef before the video started. You weren't here for that. You just admitted it. Okay. Well, it wasn't half. What was it? I don't know, like 30%. You ate a third of a pack of ground beef on your own. Well, look at the things you eat. I mean, what do you eat? I like to eat rare candies, personally. That's why I'm at such a high level. If you're at such a high level, why don't you learn Payday? I used up all my knowledge learning how to talk. Well, I mean, if you knew Payday, we could buy more stuff. Actually, if Payday generated any significant amount of currency, it would cause hyperinflation and crash the Pokemon world economy. This is getting awfully academic, Meowth. I don't think I understand that. Well, that's okay, Jimmy. You are no scholar. Alright, is the cheese melted yet? Come on. Let's see. Oh yeah, it's melted. Sweet. That was the intended effect. Oh, wow. I really hope you don't drop it now that you did all that work to make it. Oh, no. Don't be silly. That wouldn't happen. Don't worry. Now, what we got to do here. Why do you have 2 vanilla Cokes? You didn't offer me one. Oh, that's my spare vanilla Coke in case I run out during the video. Oh, yeah. You always got to have another vanilla Coke on standby. All right. So, now I'm going to put the ground beef on it. Yeah, put on that ground beef. Looks more and more like a pizza as we go, and I like that effect. Here we go. You know what? Just get on there. Get on there. Okay. All right. Don't waste any. Boop. Okay. And there we go. Okay. Now, I'm going to want some sour cream on there too. And put it in the middle so you can dip the chips in it. There we go. That looks pretty good. Ta-da! Oh my god, that looks so delicious. Here, can I try one? Sure, I'll try one right now. No, I want to try one. Okay, we'll both try one. Oh my god. That's so good. It's delicious. Okay. Yeah, these are amazing. Okay. I didn't know they would be that good. Well, that's great, but I got one question for you. Oh, shoot. Why is there a grimer in the kitchen? Oh, Well, he helped to prepare the food. He chopped up a lot of that. Wait, what? Yeah. The food that I'm eating right now was prepared by Grimer. Oh, yeah, of course. You realize what Grimer's? Grimer's a sludge Pokemon. It's a living biohazard. You idiot!